Video 938, BFJ 228, the source code is here. I'm making a game engine, we're reviewing it, system index. A-bomb 8 right here, and then there is bomb area right here, which we're working on, and then there's GPU sync right here. Why the fuck are we looking at that? Well, because bomb area is relatively between these two systems, A-bomb 8 and GPU sync. You'll see why that's highlighted later. Okay, so in top-level constant macros made a miscellaneous change right here. We just changed this from 3 exclamation marks to 1 exclamation mark for reasons. Okay, down in bomb area here, we have stubbed in the bomb area initializer, and we have also stubbed in the bomb area unit test main code, right? UTM for unit test main, INI for initializer. We'll be working on these in the next video. In a init client front end that only executes when we are not on a Node.js server, remember those things in the system index? This is why. Bomb area INI and unit test main need to be called right here beneath the initializer for A-bomb 8 and above the initializer for GPU initialize, right? GPU data initialize, A-bomb 8 initialize, A-bomb area, INI, and UTM go in the middle right there, okay? Down here is what we did previously, and then we have this little footnote for why we got rid of the triple exclamation mark in that miscellaneous reason, that miscellaneous area code. This is what we did in this video, and I'm tripping over my fucking tongue. I'm tripping over my goddamn tongue. We are done with this fast video. If you want a longer 10-minute version, you're gonna have to go here. You can find the same video number, and it'll be a faster, a longer review. Tech demo only is here. Source code for this video is here. My name is Kanji Coder, and I can't fucking talk. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry Bomberman MMO. So if you like Bomberman, and you know what Bomberman is, you are gonna fucking love this more than Bomberman. I fucking guarantee it. My name is Kanji Coder, and I'm making a game engine. Like, subscribe, and follow.